Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creators, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Listen, guys, so over the weekend, me and the boy went to a furniture store so that I could pick out my new sofa. And of course, the hope and dream for some additional furniture. But nevertheless, we did pick out something. And sitting right next to the furniture store was this Dollar Tree. And I am getting ready to participate in a Dollar Tree fall challenge. And so I stopped in to see what they had that I might be able to incorporate in my next project. So, obviously, anytime you go into the Dollar Tree, you're going to find more than what you come there for. So let me show y'all what I did find, fall related and not. Okay, so they had these little totes, which I purchased. Let me show you the size of them. They're about the size of good enough to fit pens and pencils in. So I got a couple of these to fit on Josh's desk to put his school supplies in. Because right now they're in a cardboard box that I think I decorated on this channel. I'm sure I did. If not, I did a project share and showed it. But they're cute, they're stackable, keeps things nice and tidy on the desk. Although these would probably be good for keeping ephemera in. Nice size. Let's see, they're about, they are about 8 inches long by 2 inches deep. So you can fit a good amount of things in it. It's pretty good for keeping the ephemera for your projects and stuff in them. And then if you have small scraps, you can put them in here, little embellishments and stuff like that. So I got that. And then, let's see. I got some stretch lace to use in a couple journals. I picked up this lip balm. I'm hoping that it's not really color, I just need a little tint to my lips when I'm out and about. Because I could not find my lip gloss that was in my purse. That was really the whole reason why I picked that up. And then, now let's get on to the craft stuff. So I saw these stickers and I figured, let me go on ahead and get these. And that way I can make some nice cards for the fall. Even around Thanksgiving. So I know there's a glare. But these are like the clear stickers. This one says, "Believe in the magic of harvest." Carve out some good times, happy harvest. And so the cute little pumpkins with little different decorations on them. Then we have this watercolor version. These stickers are adorable. I love the one with the envelope and the leaves hanging out of it. That is so cute. And then you got your little coffee cup, and they're dimensional, so there's 2 layers to them. And yeah, you got your little sunflower, bucket of apples, some mushrooms. Look at that pumpkin, isn't that beautiful? And then of course the red truck. And then this one says, "Oh my gourd, happy fall." The only thing getting lit this weekend are my scented candles. And let's stay home. Let's hug. What does it say? Let's hugs. I'm sure that's a typo. And then you got your candle, your cocoa, your pie, cinnamon rolls. Oh, too cute. And then the leaves that says cozy right there. So I got those stickers. And then I also picked up this, it says it's ribbon, but it's kind of like organza with gold. It looks like leaf, a very faint leaf pattern, which, I mean, you kind of can just use this anytime because as you can see, it's not a full print of a leaf. So you can kind of use it anytime you need to throw some gold into a project, as far as I can see, without opening it all up. But you'll see it on the project. And then I wasn't satisfied. Well, I also picked this up for myself, some head wraps. This is a small haul, so don't think that I'm getting ready to do $50 worth. That ain't me. I saw these fall yard signs. Farm fresh pumpkins. While I'm not a big fan of the farm themed stuff, I thought that this was cute. They had a few other ones, but I like the color of it because our home, the exterior of our home is brown, so I'd like to light it up with a little bit of brightness. And then for my front door, I plan to use this and add a nice bow to the top of this to hang, right up here. I might just take this off and put another one up. We'll see. But it says thankful and blessed. I love the buffalo plaid check. And the glitter. Of course, I love the glitter. Look at that glitter. Yeah. Can y'all see that? Oh, yeah. It's twinkling. Okay, so then we got that. And then for inside the home, I thought that this was lovely. Look at that. So the base of it is orange, and then they just covered it with some seed beads, which is an awesome idea, isn't it? Can't beat that for $1. And then I'm missing something. Oh, you know what? I'll show you what I'm missing. And then I thought that this was pretty because this will go really nicely in my craft space, the teal color. In all things, give thanks. So, of course, you got the mason jar. Now, here, underneath here, I didn't... So, for my fall project, I'm thinking that I want to use this leaf, maple leaf, to maybe decoupage, well, obviously paint underneath, gesso underneath, just to get a good base. Decoupage using maybe some napkins. Also, some some vintage book pages, some texture paste, just and then I've got some leaves that I can use on top here. So I want to make this a mixed media wall hanging. So that is going to be my Dollar Tree fall challenge. But I think with this challenge, you're supposed to use 3 items from the Dollar Tree. So this will be 1. And then, of course, I've got plenty of other Dollar Tree stuff around here. Okay. So anyways, that's my haul, guys. Nothing big, nothing fancy. Well, I think this is a little fancy. Anywho, that's it. So stay tuned for our Dollar Tree challenge. It'll be coming up the 3rd week of August. And you'll see a promo for it probably towards the end of the 2nd week of August. So stay tuned for that and get your Dollar Tree supplies together so that you can participate in this challenge, because I do believe that there'll be a giveaway. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to the channel and you have not already hit that subscribe button, this is actually the time where you want to do it before I start going into the outro. You just want to go ahead and hit it so you don't miss anything on this channel. And until we're back together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.